Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my flower water fountain. So it looks like that. It's nothing special, it's not a brand one, so it's just a simple water fountain for cats. So I got this water fountain from Amazon. I didn't pay a lot, I think it was about £20 or just under. But it works really well. Teddy's been using this water fountain for a couple of years now. He really loves it because he always gets fresh water, and obviously for me I don't need to top it up water every single time. Yeah, so the video will be about how I clean my water fountain. So to clean your water fountain, you'll need a simple bottle brush. I got this brush from Morrison, so it's just simple £1 brush. It looks like that. And then you'll need carbon filters. So as you saw from the video, it is very easy to clean your water fountain and keep fresh water for your cats. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe and like, and bye bye for now.